Today's Saturday the 13th of February. We're getting near PC, which is on Tuesday. We've jumped in a little early and ripped out some concrete this morning with the 1.8 tonne excavator, prepped the driveway, and yeah, got some boxing going in. So we're on track to pour all the concrete and exposed aggregate next Saturday the 20th of February, and then to move in will be the following week. So yeah, the push is on. Let's go. We're just pumping out the water that's been sitting redundant in the pool. With the pool cover coming off on Monday, the coconut tile is going to go on, so we need to have all the water drained out of the pool. So yeah, it's happening now. Tying in the conduit for the earth cable for the pool. It's D-Day, Saturday the 20th, Lisa's birthday. We're here pouring 14 cubic concrete, our pool area, Alfresco, exposed aggregate down the side and the driveway. It's all happening, concrete's on site in 30 minutes.
Trenches 400 deep.
Yep, by 200 for any certifiers. And you know that I'm not the best skill fixer, so oh, that's pretty good. Hey, how's it looking?
Fantastic.
Have a go at it. Boys are stripping the boxing at the back. Hopefully they're saying the exposed is going to be ready to be finished in the next hour. It's all cured. We've been lucky, no rain. Earlier in the week it was predicted 40 to 50 mil today, and we've gone for it. Even this morning there was some questions around rain, but we've just locked in, all in, and now it's done, and it's gonna mean that we move in next weekend instead of the following weekend. So really exciting to get this big milestone.
Move-in day. So we're just going to start on the crazy pave. I've just banged a few tiles together and this is the look we're going for. Leah's following us around like a little shadow. And yeah. Bit of an update today. Going good. Say hi.
Hello.
Looking awesome. Grouting started. Hello. What are you doing? Mister? Hello, buddy. Hello. So today's the 31st of March and it's garden day again. We just got our mulch and our rocks delivered. And yes, here we go again.
is the 18th of April. As you can see, a lot has changed from our last video. Landscaping is all done. Crazy pave, grout. We're just the finishing touches today. We'll have it all finished, pending a bit of a tidy up and clean. Yeah, it's so amazing to be at the back end of everything. A lot of hard work the last 8 weeks to get to where we are. So a huge thanks to all the family and friends that helped out. A lot of experts in our corner helped us design this amazing backyard. So yeah, nearly done. Well done, babe.
Do you love the garden? Hey? Leo? You love the garden? Are you falling asleep, bud? Yep, so eventually this area here, where the boardroom is, here, it's going to be a little shower here. At the moment we're just keeping all the pool stuff here. Got rocks all the way down, around to the pool, and then the white rocks going around here. Clinton finishing off the grouting. So we did all this grass ourselves with some help from family. First time doing landscaping ourselves. Some beautiful plants. Clinton did all this. Some help from me. And then it goes round to the pool with more. The crazy pave just needs a good clean. Pool. A little palm there. And then we'll also be getting some stepping stones here. Just this little bit to go. And we're done. Last bag of grout.
Last bag of our Ardex WJ50. All the grouting is done. Can't believe it. It's 10 o'clock. I think I'm gonna have a beer to celebrate. Yeah.
Or a margarita. Yay!
Danski.
Well done, babe. Hello, are we in the garden? Leo's loving his new garden. All the grass is growing. You're loving it, aren't you, bud? Hey?